Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the quick look at the market share of the different Windows 10 versions. We have the numbers that were released today by Net Market Share, and Windows 10 May 2020 update is now the second most used Windows 10 version at 33.7%. That is up from 24% last month. So it's actually increasing at a faster pace now. The most popular version by just a small margin is the November 2019 update, 1909. That version is at 34.5. So you still have 6% roughly of people that are not yet on the May 2020 update. So you're still a big majority on an older version of Windows 10. That is something to note. If you put together the May 2019 update, that did lose quite a lot of pace also, close to 10%. Windows 10 November and May 2019 update, the two updates from last year, still make 60%, 34.5 plus 25.7. So that's basically 61% of all the computers out there are still running one of the versions of last year. But that pace is that's diminishing quite fast. And by next month, the May 2020 update should probably be there on top and I expect it to probably be somewhere and maybe above 40% if all goes at the same speed. So the Windows 10 May 2020 update is definitely installing much faster, and basically this is a good indication. We don't hear really much complaints. It seems that now it's rolling out really well. I still see a lot of people saying, well, with all the problems, I'm waiting. And it's not understanding that people that have those problems don't see this update. So it's funny because I repeat it all the time. If you see it in Windows Update, it's because you don't have problems with it. If you had something that was not compatible or not okay, you would not see it in Windows Update. So anyways, it's moving up fast. And as we are actually getting ready already next month, by the time we get these statistics again, we probably will have a new version of Windows, which will be the October 2020 update. I don't expect that to really show up next month, but it's going to be interesting to see how all of that evolves. Remember that the May 2019 update and then the October 2018 update are going to have end of support, November and December. That's coming up fast. So these versions will probably be pushing ahead towards at least the May 2020 update, as they'll be forced upgraded to this the latest version. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.